Did you know that nearly 40% of university students drop out before finishing their degree? Many struggle to balance academics, social life, and personal growth. Imagine stepping into university, surrounded by endless possibilities. It's more than just education, it's a place to explore, experiment, and evolve. Many students struggle with balancing coursework, friendships, and independence. Some miss out on extracurriculars, while others overlook the importance of networking. The key lies in taking advantage of university resources. Internships, study abroad, networking events, and student organizations can make a significant impact. Take Sarah, for example. She hesitated to join a business club, but that decision led to a mentorship and a top internship. Such small steps can make a big difference. There's always one defining moment in a student's journey that reshapes their potential. Step outside your comfort zone, it could lead to your dream opportunity. So, here's the takeaway. University is what you make of it. Opportunities for growth are everywhere. Internships, clubs, and networking are stepping stones to success. Now, I want to hear from you. What's been your most valuable university experience?